Hey champ, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emmanuel Undu and I'm super excited to bring you this new video today. In this video, I'm going to be giving you something special. I'm going to be talking about losses and how to control them. There are majorly 6 steps I'll be explaining to you on how to handle losses or how to manage losses. Taking losses in the Forex market is a common part of trading. There's no professional trader out there that will make mention that he or she has not made a single loss in his or her trading career. First, acceptance. Understand that losses are a normal part of trading. It is important to have a realistic mindset and understand that not every trade will be a winner. Now, I know many beginner Forex traders out there will not want to accept the fact that they must have to lose in order to make profit. That's why in my previous video, I made mention that protecting your capital is just as important as seeking for potential profit. 2. Risk management. I can't really overemphasize the benefit of risk management, not until you get your hands burnt by the Forex market. You can handle losses by implementing a solid risk management strategy. By determining your risk tolerance and setting a maximum percentage you are willing to risk on each trade, you will be able to have an edge in handling your losses. If you need a risk management strategy, the link will be in the description. Check out Emforex Telegram community. I will be uploading my Forex risk management strategy so you also can get to duplicate the same effect I have on my trades. Number 3, we have the stop loss order. I know many of you out there will not want to use a stop loss, but guess what? Stop loss will always be there to save you when you go wrong. You can never be 100% right in the Forex market. The Forex market is not a level space where you get to be 100% right. I've seen many traders win 70% of the time, but one loss can actually clear up their whole account. From there, I was able to learn that you need a proper stop loss in order to protect you from those days when you're wrong. Always use a stop loss order to reduce potential loss. By setting a predetermined level where you look to exit the market, if price goes against you, will definitely protect your capital. 4. Analyze and learn. Losses are a fee in order to become profitable in the Forex market. The best mentor you can get as a Forex trader looking to develop is by taking those losses and learning from those losses. One of the major things that has built me to this very level as a Forex trader is by taking losses and learning from those losses. As a Forex trader looking to develop and become profitable, after taking a loss, you need to sit back and analyze what went wrong. You need to understand the mistake you made in your analysis or in your execution. Learn from your losses and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. Losses are the fees you pay in order to remain profitable on the Forex market. A wise Forex trader once told me, Emmanuel, losses are part of your business description and you should treat it as such. Now, this 5th approach, many of us pay little to no attention on it. And I think that's where many beginner Forex traders stay for a very long time. We understand that trading is a very emotional game, and emotional control should be one of your major strategies to overcoming the Forex market. Don't let emotions dictate your trading decision. By staying disciplined, avoid revenge trading and chasing losses, you will definitely over time have a better emotional control. And also, you have to stick to your trading strategy and trading plan. If you find it difficult in building a trading plan or a trading strategy, in my next video I'll be walking you through step by step how to create a good trading strategy. So for those of you that have stayed to this very point, do want to hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the post notification bell icon so you don't get to miss my next video. Drop in the comment section what has been holding you back from profitability as a Forex trader. Now, the 6th and the most important one, review and adapt. It's not that others are not important, but I think I need to place more emphasis on this. Continuously review your trading performance and adapt as needed. As a beginner Forex trader or an intermediate Forex trader, you need to continuously review your trading strategy and your trading style. By keeping a trading journal to track your trades, analyze your mistakes, and identify areas for improvement. Remember, losses are part of your business description and you should treat it as such. It is how you manage them and learn from them that will ultimately contribute to your success as a Forex trader. Keep up the great work and I will see you on the side of profit. But hold up, I know you've not hit the like button, you've not subscribed to this channel. Do that now. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell icon so you don't get to miss my next video. And for those returning subscribers, this is my simple way of telling you thank you very much for coming back to this channel. It simply shows that there is something in this channel that you like so much that you always want to see over and over again. So if you're not yet subscribed, like I said, do the right thing and subscribe so you don't get to miss out.